Welcome to the video session of Business Environment for Logistics and Supply Chain. In this brief session, I will be giving you an overview of the chapter Understanding Purchase Decision in Business. So, this is the first chapter. So, the first thing which we discussed here is business need. So, you must understand what is business need. So, I would like to read out the definition. Business need is an essential requirement or a problem that drives an organization towards its goal, and it is necessary for a company to operate efficiently and succeed. So, the needs are the essential requirements or a particular problem. So, to understand the needs in a better way, we can categorize them as strategic need, customer need, then resource and technology need, compliance need, and operational needs. So, the needs can be arised due to this multiple reasons. From the customer's end, there can be a possibility of new need arisal, because for example, I would like to say that a customer who regularly purchases the vegetables, they want like more fresh items on a daily basis. Whenever they are purchasing currently, they are not getting the fresh items. So the customer's expectation is a better product, more fresh quality items. So the organization has to innovate their system, and they must think about cold storage systems within their facility. So this is a kind of need arises because of the customer's expectation, and this will be categorized as customer needs. Then we will examine the some needs, like when an organization is expecting to purchase new machinery for a better production. It is an operational need, because this is directly related to the day-to-day functions and operation aspects. Then when an organization upgrade to ERP software, it's a technological need. So this we have discussed already in the class. Now you can go through once again. Next thing we understood is purchase and the type of purchase. Purchase in a business refers to the process of acquiring goods or services or assets needed for the operations, production or resale or other business purpose. So while we are purchasing, it can be either intended for operations or production, or it can be used for any other business purpose. For example, when an organization purchases an office chair, it is not directly into for the production purpose or to convert it as a finished product, but this is a equipment which is required for a operational purpose. Then next thing we have to discuss first time purchase. In the type of purchase, you have to discuss new purchase, straight rebuy and modified rebuy. New purchase is due to an entirely new requirement. Maybe we are starting up with a new outlet, or we have a extremely new need that will result to a new purchase, where we will be searching for a new suppliers, and the process is completely new. And then next we have straight rebuy. So in straight rebuy, there won't be any change. The purchase will happen on a regular basis from the regular suppliers. There won't be any changes in the purchase pattern or the requirement. Then we have modified rebuy. If there is any particular change required, maybe if you want to reduce the cost, otherwise if you want to improve the quality, otherwise sometimes you may notice that the current supplier is not reliable. In all these circumstances, you will go for modified rebuy. These are the things, important things, that you should know about the types of purchase. Then you have to explain how the business need affect the procurement. What is the relationship between the need and the procurement? So here you should explain when it is a totally new need, new purchase. Then if the need requirement is stable and routine, it will go for straight rebuy. Then improvement or problem solving purpose, we will go for modified rebuy. Then we should see the next important topic, which is benchmarking. So benchmarking in procurement is the process of comparing an organization's procurement performance, prices and process and supplier capability with industry standards. Otherwise we can consider competitors. And then best in class organization, historical internal performances. So on this basis we will consider or create a benchmark. Then the actual performance will be compared with this benchmark. So we have explained this concept in the class in detail. You have to focus on this particular aspects. The next we have learned is procurement's role in developing a business case and the criterias in the creation of a business case. So when there is a particular need or when there is a particular situation, scenario, in that time we will have to justify that particular decision. So business case is in a way is a justification which will show what are the needs of an organization at that particular point of time and how the organization can justify that particular purchase decision or so and so. For example, if a company needs new laptops for staff, first thing the case should explain why they require new laptops. Otherwise, what are the other options? Then the case must examine the cost benefit analysis of each option, then the risk involved, then finally recommending the final choice. This is what happens in a business case. So you must explain different criterias also: cost, benefit, options, alignment with organizational needs, time scale and implementation schedule. These are the things that you are expected to explain under the business case development and its criterias. So with which we are winding up with this session. So have a happy learning experience. Thank you for listening.